In this Burnout Extra, I'm gonna show you how to take the letters off of your Jeep. I actually really like these letters, but we're going to put a giant Burnout Show decal on this car. And that's awesome. So I'm going to take off, for now, just the word sport, because it is currently in our way of where we want to put the letters. That has got to go. How I'm going to take them off is a completely different story. I have a little pry bar here, as well as a screwdriver. I couldn't find one thinner than this, but one that's even smaller than this would do even better. Now, the trick here is actually to get a heat gun, which is often used in plumbing, really any trade, but plumbing I feel like it's most often used. And a heat gun will allow you to heat up the adhesive behind the letters. On modern cars, most of the time, these are just stuck on with some adhesive rather than bolted all the way through. So if you took a classic car, chances are there's pins that go through the actual metal and then bolt on the other side, or they snap into place or something like that. That's not the case with modern ones. Modern ones are normally some form of adhesive, and you can actually heat that up and it will loosen the adhesive and you can pull the letters off. So that's what we're gonna try today. However, I'm going to start with a screwdriver, potentially a razor blade as well, maybe get behind it and see what I can do, because I want to save these letters, just get them off of the car. This isn't, oh geez, drop the razor blade again, Jay. My goodness. This isn't really common to do on a car, but when you own this Jeep, anything goes. We're just gonna take off sport. It's no longer gonna be in sport mode. Oh yeah, you can see it prying up already. This is good. A really thin screwdriver would actually be perfect for this. That orange one there is not too thin, I will say. Yeah, look at that. If you have a luxury car, you know, like not a 2000 Jeep Cherokee, chances are these are actual badges that are bolted on in some way. Whoa. It almost looks like this O should be the other way, or they just took a 0 and were like, yeah, let's just put it on its side. Yeah, these are definitely some cheap letters. Yeah. Very nice, very nice. I think we're gonna leave Cherokee for now. Sport mode deactivated. There's nothing sporty about this Jeep, I'll tell you that. That's gonna be all for this video. Other cars are different, but you know, if you want your letters gone, there's a way to do it. And if your car is painted in bedline or spray paint like mine, maybe you don't want your letters on your car, and you just want it to be cool, like the Cherokan't. Be sure to check out more videos like this. We have them all over the channel, as well as merchandise on our website at burnoutshow.com. So if you want to support the channel, that would be a huge help, as well as continuing to watch our videos and watch us grow as a channel. So sport mode deactivated for this video, and we'll see you in the next one.